ever tried to hold back a sneeze? You might want to think twice. Did you know that a sneeze can actually travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah. The incredible force generated is designed to expel irritants from your nasal passages with maximum efficiency. It involves a rapid, involuntary contraction of muscles from your diaphragm to your eyelids, which is why it's so hard to keep your eyes open. This powerful reflex is your body's way of protecting itself from airborne particles and irritants. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out. It's a super fast, super effective bodily defense mechanism.